Hello everyone and welcome to the 8th week report of Malaria Prevention app. This week I have created the landscape layouts for almost of the entire app. So I'll show you the entire app working in the landscape mode. Okay, so here's the landscape mode, and as you can see a scroll bar has been put in the screen since the view pager cannot be put inside a scroll bar, hence I had to put this thing inside the scroll bar and not the entire screen. So we can swipe it here and we can say the second screen, and here since the graph can also not be put inside a scroll bar, hence I created a new layout for the landscape view. And here's this option, it's the same, and going on the trip indicator screen we can see that this has been put inside a scroll bar as well. And the packing dialog, okay, so we can add items here and they will be displayed in a scroll bar as well. See, and we can even delete them. Okay, so another screen was the info hub. This was already there, I did nothing in this. And now to the screens that I have added. So these were the this was the home page, and here is the badge room. So it looks something like this in the landscape in the portrait mode, and like this in the landscape mode. So clicking on each of the icon I can view my details of the badge like before. And the rapid fire game, so I've also changed made some minor modifications. Whenever our answer is true it turns to green, otherwise it turns to gray. Also the myth versus fact game, so this it looked something like this in the portrait mode, and I've created a new layout for it in the landscape mode because putting a scroll view was not good for the screen. So yeah, it works pretty good. And for the medicine store, it looked something like this in the portrait mode, and it looks something like this. Okay, it looks something like this, and here are the two options. It's almost the same. And here's the user profile page. I put it in the scroll view, so it looks like this. Okay, so we have seen the entire app in the portrait mode. Also one screen is left, the setup screen. Okay, so this is also we put it inside a scroll bar, so this works as well. So this was one of the tasks done this week, and the other task which was done was that I have tested this app on Android 4, Android 5 and Android 6, and it seems to work well on the three Androids. And I've also started the task to make this this app compatible to all screen sizes, and I'll be finishing it by the next week. So yeah, that was all for this week, and see you next week. Thank you.